Have you ever felt so alone that it seemed like the world around you was shattering, like a porcelain vase dropped from a height, its fragments scattering, echoing your own sense of brokenness and solitude? This feeling, my friends, is not unfamiliar to many, and today, we delve into a tale that embodies this very sentiment. Once upon a time, in a quaint little town, lived a man named Sait. Sait was not your typical townsperson. He was a man of few words, a solitary figure who kept to himself, his life as quiet as the early morning fog that blanketed the town. His loneliness was not a choice but a circumstance of life that had etched itself into his existence. Sait owned a small shop that sold curios and trinkets, each piece as unique as the man himself. Every item in his shop held a story, a fragment of someone's life, just like pieces of a broken vase. It was in these objects that Sait found his solace, his companionship. They whispered stories of the past, of love and loss, of joy and sorrow, stories that resonated with Sait's own sense of loneliness. One day, an old, worn-out teacup caught his eye. It was chipped, its paint faded, a testament to its age and the hands that had held it. Sait saw himself in that teacup. It was a mirror reflecting his own life, his own brokenness. But there was beauty in that brokenness, a charm that only comes with age and experience, a charm that drew Sait towards it. Just like that teacup, Sait realized that his loneliness was not a curse, but a unique facet of his life that had shaped him into the person he had become. His solitude was not a prison, but a sanctuary where he could explore his thoughts, his dreams, his fears. It was his solitude that allowed him to connect with the stories embedded in the objects he cherished, to appreciate the beauty in their brokenness. And so, Sait embraced his loneliness, his brokenness, not as a burden, but as a gift. He understood that just like the teacup, he too had a story to tell, a story of resilience, of survival, a story that could inspire others to find beauty in their own brokenness. In conclusion, the tale of Sait reminds us that loneliness and brokenness are not always synonymous with despair. They can be a source of strength, of inspiration, a testament to our resilience. Just like a broken vase, our lives may be scattered, fragmented, but each piece holds a unique story, a unique beauty. It's not about how broken we are, but how we put the pieces back together, how we embrace our brokenness and turn it into something beautiful.